I'm one of the Dalriada Legends, a group of professional storytellers and musicians, and we aim to keep the storytelling tradition alive in the Causeway coastal route, collecting and reworking the ancient tales of the local landscape to bring to new audiences. We have also developed a range of bespoke storytelling sessions and collaborations for tour operators selling to international visitors. Storytellers are wordsmiths, artists, musicians and researchers, and we have brought these talents together to develop a series of regular storytelling events and experiences, promoted and sold through our own website and social media. We can deliver storytelling events in indoor venues as well as beautiful outdoor locations. And we work with a number of local hospitality providers and visitor attractions.
Carnlough Bay Boat Tours has been operating out of Carnlough for the last 6 years. Our lifeboat turned passenger boat, aptly named the Curiosity, or the wee yellow boat, has took thousands of passengers round the bay, showing them the spectacular scenery, Carnlough Bay and beyond. We have a varied programme of tours including daily 45-minute trips round Carnlough Bay, passing the Black Rock, private bespoke trips and village hopping between Carnlough and Glenarm. Visitors are now encouraged to book online to ensure they aren't disappointed on busy days and to keep them updated. We plan to run more village hopping experiences in the future, taking in the salmon cages and Glenarm and offering more stories aboard.
The Arkle Whisky Bar is home to our precious family photos, heirlooms and memorabilia. It tells the story of Arkle, the legendary 1960s steeplechaser, and the Arkle Club, a group of family and friends from Carnlough in the 1960s who followed him and supported him throughout the country. Our recent collaboration with the Old Bushmills Distillery was a perfect match, creating a series of 3 whisky flights to celebrate both Arkle and pay homage to their world-famous whisky. We have the Arkle Hat-Trick, the Arkle Club and the Aristocrat. We have also been able to support numerous local food producers from throughout the Causeway Coastal Route region who have all contributed to our special whisky pairing menus, which are proving so popular with both international tour operators and our local customers. I am so proud of my staff who deliver the whisky experience and tell the Arkle stories so well, ensuring that the Arkle legacy in the Londonderry Arms will remain for many more years to come.